Hello parents, welcome. Today we are going to talk about something very important in a child's learning journey. Phonics. Many parents often ask why phonics is important. How does it help children reading? Is phonics really necessary for nursery and primary kids? The answer is yes, absolutely yes. This is one of the most effective way to help children become confident readers and speakers. Now let us first understand what is phonics. This is a method of teaching children the relationship between letters and sounds. Instead of only teaching children to memorize the words, phonics teaches them how to read the words by blending sounds together. For example, A says a apple. S says snake. T says t t tie. And when child blend the sounds together, let's say for example cat. Ka a t cat. Or dog. D o g dog. The simple process helps children read independently. With phonics, many children try to memorize every word by sight. But memorizing thousands of words is very difficult for young learners. Children may become confused. They may guess words incorrectly. Sometimes they lose confidence and start feeling that reading is hard. Phonics give children a system that helps them understand how words work. Once the child understands sound, reading becomes easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Phonics is especially important for nursery to grade 2 children because early childhood is the best time for language development. At this age, children's brain learn sound very quickly, just like they naturally learn to speak. They can also naturally learn to read through phonics activities, songs, and games. One of the best things about phonics is that learning becomes fun. Children do not just sit and memorize. They sing song, do actions and play games, enjoy learning. For example, let's say A. A says a, answer my arms, answer my arms, answer my arm is causing me alarm, Children love movement and music, so they remember sound very much faster. This is why Jolly Phonics is so much popular in school around the world. It combines song, action, stories, and visual to make learning very exciting and interactive. Phonics also help children improve pronunciation and speaking skill. When children learn sounds correctly, they speak more clearly and confidently. It also improves spelling skills. Children begin to understand how sound form words and how words form sentences. Another wonderful benefit of phonics is confidence. Imagine a small child reading a word independently for the first. The smile on their face, that excitement, that feeling of I can read, I can do it. That confidence motivates children to learn more. Children who enjoy reading usually become better learners in every subject. Now let's talk about the role of parents. Very important. Parents are a child's first teacher. Even spending 10 to 15 minutes daily on phonics practice can make a huge difference. So let's say what you can do to help your child. You can read storybooks together, like bedtime stories or a random story you can make. Then practice letter sound. You can choose randomly when they start memorizing it. Sing phonics song together. Play games like any games, random games with phonics related, or simply ask your child to identify beginning sounds of objects around the house. Let's say you can see a ball and you start b b and the child will think what starts with B. Let's say for example, what sound does ball start with? What sound does sun start with? Simply, daily practice builds strong reading habits. One common mistake many parents make is teaching only letter names. For example, A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. This is good. This is good. But children also need to know the sound of each letter. Like A says A, B says B, C says K, like that. Sounds are the real key to read, because if you teach them the sound, they will understand how to pronounce the letter cat, a, t, apple, a, p, p, l, e, apple, like that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helped you understand why phonics is so important for children. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe for more parenting tips, phonics activities and early learning videos. Thank you. Bye bye.